Can you see it? It's on here. That's the on the ceiling.
Got the light on the ceiling? He's got it in my face.
It's got a difference. Now, can you see it? Yeah. Where is it? Now, can you see it? I can't see it.
Oh, somebody's tired. Are you
Now
yawning?
Do you know it's that gay? Now do you know it's that gay? Because it's 2 at a time. Oh, it's right? Doing circles.
Yeah, look what he's doing with the flashlight.
It's doing circles. Now do you know what's
He's doing circles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now do you know what's in? Okay. Where is it? No. I guess you do. He said he do it like.
What's he doing?
It's on your face.
Is it on Safta's face?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's close. I'm gonna put it all the way on his feet.
Be very careful, please.
Flashlight is coming out Soph's face. Yeah, I can see. Take a picture of me.
I'm taking video.
Of me.
Yeah, with the flashlight. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Say good morning, everybody.
Kabooby babby booba.
No, talk nice. Oops. Talk nice. Talk nice.
Kabooby babby booba. It won't fit on you. What's this? Kabooby babby boo boo. Da dee da dee da da da. Now, can you see it on your... Ow.
Oh, what happened?
It didn't really hurt. Now I can see it. Now I can see the buggy. Now can you see it? Guys, show it to me.
What?
Guys, show it to me.
Okay, just a minute.
Now do you know it's the buggy? Where's the buggy? Can you tell? Can you tell if it's buggy? Can you tell if it's a bug? Bug! It's a bug! It's a bug!
Be careful, be careful.